హైదరాబాద్ లో జరుగుతున్న మాన్సూన్ రెగట్టా పడవ పోటీలు ఆసక్తికరంగా జరుగుతున్నాయి. ముఖ్యంగా 8 ఏళ్ల నుంచి 14 ఏళ్లలోపు చిన్నారులు ఈ పోటీలో పాల్గొని సత్తా చూపాలని ఉబలటం చూపుతున్నారు. నీళ్లకు బయటపడకుండా ఒంటరిగా చిన్న చిన్న పడవలలో అలలతో పోటీ పడుతూ ముందుకు సాగడం చూస్తే ముచ్చటేస్తుంది. పలు రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి వచ్చిన చిన్నారులు ఈ పోటీల్లో పాల్గొంటున్నారు. బాలికలు షైలింగ్ మక్కువ చూపి అబ్బాయిలతో పోటీ పడడం విశేషం.
I'm Amar Reddy. I'm 12 years old and I come from Chennai, TNSA. I've been sailing for 2 years and I really like sailing because it's one sport that's very different.
My name is Sharath Reddy. There are about 8 kids from TNSA. We came here yesterday. Looking forward to say first time we're sailing in our team's participating here in Hyderabad. The hospitality is lovely. The clubhouse is new, well organized event. Except that the water could do with some cleanup. I know the effort is on to improve the condition of the water, but it's a bit scary if somebody was to fall into this water. So it's been looking forward to the next 3 days.
My name is Sucharita and I'm here with the Tamil Nadu Sailing Association as the team managers. For me it's very nice coming back here because I was born in Secunderabad actually. So coming back, I've come back a few times but never here with the team. It's nice to, I think the conditions are very different. See, for us we're used to sailing out at sea, so the conditions are very different. This is an inland lake, so the lake sailing conditions are different. It's seen as a very challenging course. So we're, it's a chance for children to sail in conditions that they've never sailed in before. No, I'm not a sailor, I'm just a sailor mom. Yeah, my husband sails the big ships, but I'm not a sailor. I just enjoy the sport, sort of basically picked it up because my son got interested. A huge bunch of young kids being sort of developed, groomed now. TNSA just managed to get through a government program 50 optimist boats, which is the smallest class of boat where these youngsters start. And just within the last 6 months, we've seen a huge change in terms of the number of sailors who are enrolling.
I'm Captain Homi Motiwala. I'm the chief umpire and the chairman of the jury over here. And today we had some very interesting match racing. Yesterday we had finished 4 flights. Now we have finished 4 more in the morning, and when we finish another 3 in the afternoon, we'll finish the first full round robin. In the morning there were some very exciting and interesting races. Most interesting was the one between Mahesh and Nitin, where they got the advantage over each other on various occasions, and a lot of penalties were scored. And it was a very exciting match which was very closely contested and very, very good.